We now know that the white light from the sun is a mixture of 7 primary colors. What will happen when this sunlight falls on the surface of a prism? When this sunlight falls on the surface of a triangular prism, the prism splits this white light into 7 different colors. These 7 colors in sequence are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Yes, the same colors as seen in a rainbow. Now obviously we cannot see the light propagating through air, so the screen is kept on the right to observe this phenomenon. However, for explanatory purposes, we will keep the colors visible like this. Well, if you look carefully, you will find only 6 colors here with the exception of indigo. The color indigo lies somewhere between the colors blue and violet. And the legend Isaac Newton, for mystical reasons, thought that the white light from the sun must consist of 7 different colors and not 6. So we now regard indigo as one of the 7 colors the white light from the sun is made up of. Anyway, so the prism splits the sunlight into 7 colors. However, till the early 1670s, it wasn't thought to be so. By then, scientists already knew that different colors can be obtained when sunlight passes through the prism. But it was believed that it is the prism which produces all the colors. It was thought that the colors are due to the prism and white light from the sun is nothing but white. But Isaac Newton proved these theories to be incorrect. In 1672, he published his results along with a series of experiments that he performed. So let us see what those experiments were. First, just like many others, he knew that different colors are formed by prism when sunlight is incident on it. So he allowed a narrow beam of sunlight to be incident on one of the surfaces of the triangular prism. He got all the colors on the big screen as expected. But then he made a tiny slit in the screen and allowed only the red light to pass through that slit. What did he do next? He then placed another prism in the path of this red light and placed a screen behind it. He found that there were no colors formed this time. Only the red band was visible on the second screen. He then moved the slit by moving the first screen from its spot so that a different colored light is passed through the slit. And again, only light of that particular color passing through the slit was spotted on the second screen. So it was proved that the prism doesn't generate the colors. He performed one more experiment. He kept the second prism inverted with respect to the first prism. And then he passed the narrow beam of white light again through the first prism. And guess what happened? By adjusting the second prism slightly, he got the white light emerging out of it. Hence, from these experiments, Newton concluded that it's the white light which is composed of 7 different colors, and the prism merely breaks this white light into its constituent colors. Or in other words, the prism disperses the white light. Dispersion is an optical phenomenon in which white light is split into different colors. But how does the prism break the white light? In the next video, we will discuss this optical phenomenon in greater detail. See you there.